This is a 2005 Honda Odyssey. Room for the entire family. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include the adjustable driver pedals are another great feature. They allow you to tailor the position of the foot pedals, moving them closer and higher to perfect your control over the vehicle. A sunroof, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, and steering wheel mounted controls, an MP3-ready stereo system, a CD player, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 63,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Ford and Hyundai of Kirkland is located at 11800 124th Northeast in Kirkland. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.